welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the IC-5725 TSI VelociCalc rotating vane anemometer. The IC-5725 measures air velocity and temperature, calculates flow rate, performs averaging, and can determine minimum and maximum readings. Using sweep mode, you can quickly provide one averaged reading of velocity or volume over a large measurement area. This unit logs over 12,700 samples with a time and date stamp, which can be transferred to a PC using the included USB cable and log DAT2 downloading software. In the box there is a carry bag with points to attach the carry strap and a handle on top. Inside is moulded foam to keep your 5725 anemometer safe during transit, a USB for PC connectivity, 4 AA batteries, a CD with the log DAT2 software, an operation and service manual, and a certificate of calibration, and the IC-5725. To get started, insert the 4 included batteries into the battery compartment on the back of the device. Press the power button to turn the unit on. This displays the large, multi-level LCD. Below is the keypad with 3 soft keys along the top, and escape, enter, and the power button below, and up and down selections. On the side is a slot to place the anemometer onto the unit. On the bottom is the AC adapter connection and USB port. And on the other side of the cable is an anemometer with a groove to attach the sensor to the display, a rotatable head, an ergonomic handle, and the 100mm vane. To watch a video demonstrating how to set up and take measurements on this meter, or to speak with an Instrument Choice scientist, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.